The Holy See Press Office has announced that Pope Leo XIV will make 3 apostolic journeys in the first half of 2026. The first trip will be a one-day visit to the Principality of Monaco on March 28th, just before Holy Week. This will be the first time a pope visits Monaco in the modern era. Catholicism is the state religion there, and the visit highlights the importance of dialogue between the church and civil authorities, as well as the country's commitment to peace. From April 13th to 23rd, Pope Leo XIV will make a 10-day apostolic journey to Africa. He will visit Algeria, Cameroon, Angola, and Equatorial Guinea. In Algeria, he will go to Algiers and Annaba, following in the footsteps of St. Augustine. Then he will travel to Cameroon, visiting Yaoundé, Bamenda, and Douala, including the Anglophone region affected by conflict. After that, he will visit Luanda, Muxama, and Sarimo in Angola. The final stop will be Equatorial Guinea, where he will visit Malabo Mangamo and Bata. This African journey will focus on peace, faith, and support for the poor and vulnerable. In June, from the 6th to the 12th, the Pope will travel to Spain. He will visit Madrid and Barcelona, where he will inaugurate the newest and tallest tower of the Sagrada Familia. The visit coincides with the 100th anniversary of the death of Antoni Gaudí, the architect of the Basilica. The Pope will then travel to the Canary Islands, visiting Tenerife and Gran Canaria. The islands are one of the main migration routes from Africa to Europe, and the visit highlights the Church's concern for migrants and humanitarian challenges. Through these journeys, Pope Leo XIV will meet people in different cultures and situations, from Muslim-majority Algeria to Christian-majority African nations, to Monaco on the French Riviera, and Spain, a country deeply shaped by Christianity, but also facing secularization. These apostolic journeys reflect the Pope's mission of peace, unity, faith, and closeness to those in need around the world.